Good morning, dear children. Once again, welcome back to your value education class. Children, once again I want to introduce this book to you. This is your moral science book, value education book, The Golden Path. The Golden Path. And today we are going to read Chapter 9, Lesson 9, and the topic is a foolish friend is worse than an enemy. A foolish friend is worse than an enemy. Children, first of all, put your finger and read the chapter, okay? Put your finger while reading. Once there was a king who had a pet monkey. This monkey was a fool but was treated royally and moved freely in the king's palace. He was also allowed to enter the king's personal rooms that were forbidden even to the royal servants. One afternoon, the king was asleep while the monkey was keeping watch. All of a sudden, a fly came into the room and sat on the king's nose. The monkey drove it away, but the fly would only go away for some time and return to the king's nose again. The monkey became terribly angry at the fly and started chasing it with a sword. And as the fly sat on the king's nose again, the monkey hit the fly with all his might. The fly flew away unharmed, but the king's nose was severely wounded by the sword. Children, we have read the story. This story is about a king and his friend, his pet monkey. Okay. एक बार की बात है, एक किंग था, उसका पेट मंकी था. This monkey was a fool but was treated royally and moved freely in the king's palace. Monkey फूल था, बुद्धू था, स्टिल ही वॉज ट्रीटेड वेरी रॉयली. फिर भी उसे बहुत अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट मिलता था और वो पूरे किंग के पैलेस में फ्रीली घूमता था. ही वॉज अलाउड टू एंटर किंग्स पर्सनल रूम्स दैट वर फॉरबिडन इवन टू द रॉयल सर्वेंट्स. He was allowed to enter the king's personal rooms, जहाँ पे servants भी allowed नहीं थे, but this monkey was allowed to roam in the whole palace, even to the king's personal places. One afternoon, the king was sleeping while monkey was keeping watch. किंग सो रहा था, मंकी नज़र रख रहा था. ऑल ऑफ अ सडन अचानक से क्या हुआ, रूम में फ्लाई एंटर करी एंड फ्लाई वेंट एंड सैट ऑन द किंग्स नोज. द मंकी ड्रोव इट अवे. मंकी ने उसको हटा दिया. जब मक्खी आती है हमारे पास, हमारे बैठती है कहीं पे पास में, तो हम उसको ऐसे करके हटाते हैं ना, इसी तरीके से मंकी ने भी उसको हटाया. Fly would only go for some time and return to king's nose again. Fly वापस तो चली गई ऐसे हटाने पे, लेकिन फिर से नोज के किंग पे आ गई. वो बार बार आ जा रही थी. The monkey became angry. मंकी को बहुत गुस्सा आया और वो तलवार लेकर के, स्वॉर्ड लेकर के उसके पीछे भागने लगा. फिर मक्खी, fly sat on king's nose again. Monkey hit the fly with all his might. Monkey ने पूरी ताकत लगा के fly को hit करा sword से. The fly flew away unharmed. But fly को तो कुछ नहीं हुआ, fly unharmed उड़ गई. But king's nose was severely wounded by the sword. But king की जो nose थी उसको बहुत चोट पहुंची थी क्योंकि उसने तलवार से मक्खी भगाने की प्लानिंग करी थी ना. He tried to kill the fly with all his might with the sword, but fly flew away unharmed and king's nose was wounded. Children, the wisdom word is beware of foolish friend. They can harm you more than your enemy. Beware of foolish friends. They can harm you more than your enemy. Thank you, class.